Alright, another unboxing video. So this is kind of like a multi-item unbox, and we got one more item in here. Let me go ahead and get it out of here. And this is the Haptime alarm clock. So why did I buy this? Son's going to school. The wife is supposed to get up to make me breakfast. And a couple of times this past week she has failed. So she's not setting her alarm on her cell phone. And I decided she needed an alarm clock. So this is going to be a present for her. Alright, so LCD screen. This is going to take 2 AAA batteries, which luckily I have a couple of those on hand. Size, they have it in millimeters, so us in the US here, good luck with what that is. Large LCD display, time, date, day of week. Oh, that's good. Temperature display. No way. I didn't even realize that, so that's going to be nice. Alarm clock and backlight function. So let's go ahead and get it open. This does have snooze on it, but wow, I did not realize temperature was on here. I have a feeling, oh, batteries are included. Okay, there's your batteries. Nice little manual comes with it, user manual. So we're going to go ahead and get this going. First thing is, where do the batteries go? See, I like to do things without the directions. It looks like we pop this off right here. Boom. Get our batteries open. Mitsubishi electric batteries. Got that in. Whoa. Alright, so there are a lot of buttons on the inside of this. So it appears you do the setting with those. Okay. Hopefully you all can see that. I know it's going to be upside down. So there's the front of it. And on the front, here's the alarm time. There's obviously the time. AM, PM over here. It says weekend there. So there's a weekend mode. Should be a date displayed over here. Oh, sorry. Looks like you can change the settings here. There's the day of the week there. Temperature is down there. It's currently in Celsius, so we'll change that. And there's your date right there, okay? So it looks like it thinks it's January 1st. So let's change some stuff here. Alright, let's start by changing the time. In time mode, press time button to enter time setting. Okay, so the hour numbers blink. So If I hit the plus button, okay. All right, so on the back should be the middle button. We'll change this. We'll change which mode that you are wanting to change, right? So right now we're doing minutes, and there's our month. So let's move that to we're in September. Excuse me. And September. And we hit it again. Day of the week. So I believe we're on the 20th. Okay. Hit it again. All right, so now we're into time. If we hold that in, we're changing our minutes.